YouTubers. Yes, it's another review and test video. In this video, not only am I just going to be testing out the Shark cordless vacuum that I've got, I recently got this, which is the home and car detailing kit. And as you can see, it consists of a flexi attachment that actually fits into the bottom of the top part. It's got a very fine nozzle, but you also get this little bag of goodies, which is pretty much aimed at car detailing. Nice paper bag as well, Shark. Okay, inside the little bag you get a selection of attachments. These are obviously bits that go into the end of the flexi pipe, like so. You get a fine little detailing brush, bit of a wider brush, and a very mini vacuum nozzle, which I think will be ideal for the vents. So let's get out to the car. It's a beautiful day and I can just run through some of the different attachments and try out this unit in the car. This is the car in question. It's a 1994 Toyota Carina E. One of only a handful left. This is obviously my Shark vacuum, and I think first of all what I'm going to do is just test out the general vacuum. I always take the mats out of the car. So you wouldn't think they would get too dirty, but it is my daily drive. Yes, I commute in a 26-year-old car. So first of all, you're going to have to excuse the sun, but it's a beautiful day. As I would have explained, the whole point of the system is that it uses rechargeable batteries. It's also pretty powerful. So you have a switch that obviously turns it off and on, and a trigger that actually speeds us up. So like so. And as you can see, like any general vacuum, it works really well. But the bits I'm looking forward to trying out are the little attachments. So that's the nozzle end. That's the nozzle end. Let's just put in the wee little brush. Yep, so that bit fits in. You could probably extend it with the other bits. So then you can actually get into all the little grooves and vacuum it out. How awesome's that, eh? Right, let's try one of the long adapters with the mini vacuum point. Sad, aren't I? But yeah, in those hard to reach areas, but the best bit, I think, is going to be doing the vents. As you can see, the attachment fits in fairly easily. Let's change it. Tiny brush. Although my vents aren't overly dirty, but doing all in and around the dash. Yeah, all around the cluster. Everything. It's really, really good. Also reaching down, and although I do these with a cloth, I like little areas like this. All in and around the buttons. Obviously it's best to work from the top down, but just for the purpose of the video I'm going to give it just a general blitz. All the buttons, the switches, the rotating dials, things like this. So I can get all the dust off and then go over it with some dash cleaning materials. Yeah, you can really as I say, you can really nerd out on detailing your car. I mean, the good thing with the vacuum is it comes with 2 batteries and they all last for hours. Let's do the brush retains its shape at places like this, which again I will go over with a cloth and cleaning materials. Inside the backs of switches. So yeah, you get the gist. Dash tops, cleaning the vents on the screen, everything. That was a brief bit of vacuuming in the car with the Shark car detailing kit. Yeah, it's really impressive, as I say. I've had the unit for a few months now, but I've only just got the detailing kit, and it's very, very nice. Very nice indeed. Here we go, back inside. Quick run through some of the attachments you get. Obviously, a rotating bladed small end. You have a brush unit for interior, long nozzled vacuum piece. A unique bit, I believe, which is for the tops of shelves, behind radiators, all that kind of stuff. Comes for the free dog hair. That's the reason we've got it. And one more attachment. I'm not too sure on this one. It's curved. But yeah, as I say, the unit comes with 2 batteries, a mains charger. Everything just basically just unclips. It's so easy to use. Like I say, that's the model number. The output is really good. It all collects into the cylinder there. That's literally from doing my car, even though my car was pretty clean. So overall, yeah, for automotive uses, I would use it, definitely. It is a bit fiddly dragging out a big vacuum if you haven't got the advantage of a power point near your car. But also for interior uses, hey boy. Yeah, it's also very good for pet hair. It really does pull up well, and I mean, it's so easy to empty the cartridge, click of a button, pull the bottom unit off, and then just tip it in the bin. So that's been my brief review, mainly concentrated at automotive uses for a vacuum. And yeah, a relatively inexpensive item for every car detailer. Anyway, as per usual, thanks for watching. You going to watch later? You remain speechless. Yeah, thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, check out some of the other videos on my channel. I'm currently modifying a 26-year-old Toyota that you saw featured earlier. It's had a crazy amount of money spent on it, but it's an awesome car and well worth seeing. But for this video, I'll conclude. Thanks for watching and see you again.